I've got a 2-card spread for when you're feeling stuck. The first card is where you're trapped, and the second card is how to get free. Trapped and free. So I like to turn them both over at the same time because I really think that they talk to each other and they inform my interpretation. So for where I'm trapped, I've got 6 of Wands, and how to get free, I've got 3 of Wands. Very interesting. So first thing I note, I've got 2 Wands. So this is in the realm of creativity or desire or goals or authenticity, that sort of thing. Since we have 6 of Wands as where I'm trapped, I'm thinking this is being trapped in needing external validation for what I'm doing. And because I'm trapped there, I'm not able to be authentic. I'm stuck on trying to serve other people, to produce things that are pleasing to other people, to act in the world in a way that is pleasing to others instead of pleasing to me. 3 of Wands is telling us how to get free of that trap. And 3 of Wands is about taking initial steps, making the move. Very interestingly, that we've got something about making a move in the position to tell us how to make a move. So I'm going to say that the main thing you need to do is to consider a solo voyage. If you're trapped by what other people think of you, do something that's just for you. In the case of a creative person or an artist, that would mean producing something that's never going to be shared with somebody else. Just make something for you to practice creating things that are not for pleasing other people, to build up your resilience and your own sense of validation around these things, so that you're not constantly feeling like you need to please others, but just figure out how to please yourself. Let's do another example. I love a large spread. Like, I'm really partial to a 9-card box spread. I've got 2 versions that I do a lot. I've got an elemental box spread. I've also got a self-love box spread. So I love these big spreads where you can really dive in with tons of cards. But I want to encourage you, these little 2 and 3 card spreads can really pack a punch. So don't ignore them just because they're small. They really do have a lot to offer. So again, where I'm trapped and how to get free. So trapped is the Magician, and how to get free is Child of Wands. That is Page of Wands. For trapped, I would say with Magician in that position that I'm feeling completely disempowered. I no longer have the magic that I used to have, and it may be exhaustion, it may be that I'm disconnected from myself, it may be that I've lost some resources that I used to have, but I'm just not feeling it anymore, and I miss it. And I don't know how to get out of this place of like losing the magic in my life, of this place of feeling quite so disempowered and a lack of confidence. And so to get free, I'm going to embody the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is curious and open and creative and deeply focused on their own drive and authenticity. The Page of Wands is a beginner. I feel like they're like a little mini apprentice to the Magician. They're on their first day and they're so eager to learn and so eager to practice, and they just don't worry about failure. They are willing to put themselves out there and try anything. They're willing to learn from anyone. They're just open and excited about the world and the possibilities in it. And so if I can embody that beginner stance again, right? Don't have to feel anymore like I've got it all figured out and that I'm the Magician and I can, do the exact right thing and make anything in my life happen. If I can go back to the beginning, take on the stance of a beginner and start making some fresh choices and fresh moves and try new things, I'm going to get out of that trap. Let me know if you do this spread. I'd love to know how it goes for you. Again, the positions are where I'm trapped and how to get free. Like if you liked the video, subscribe for more tarot content, and thanks for stopping by.